boy, do I have a ton of stuff going on today. Oh man. So I have a lot of stuff planned. We're out in the, going to the shed right now. Got to get these flowers all watered back up and rejuvenated. The petunias, they were rocking it strong. Need to trim them back now because a lot of it's died out of town. Yeah, that's what happens. And then we're in the 90s now. So much for spring. Just a couple weeks away from summer now at this point. So yeah, it's getting sticky. The humidity can be a nightmare though, but I'd much rather have it than all the nosebleeds I had when I was in Salt Lake. Day 2 there, and oh man, it was on, just non-stop bleeding all the time. Breaking the Gorilla card out again. Love this thing. Totally not sponsored. I love it. I wish I wouldn't have waited to buy it because it's that good. Still got a load of, well, got 6 bags of topsoil. It's probably not going to be enough. I know it's not going to be enough because I never buy enough of anything, be it mulch, topsoil, garden soil, sand, no, whatever. Whenever I'm buying anything in bags, I always overestimate how far it actually goes. But that's okay. I can harvest some of the goosegrass dirt for what I'm getting ready to do here. Don't want to, but I will be solarizing the soil to get things ready and help kill any weed pressure. Backyard was mowed last night. That was 6 days after Chuck mowed. Ended up doing a triple cut on it solely because I didn't feel like mowing it all throughout the week. Work was still crazy and I just needed time to sit and do nothing, which is always good. You always have to have some of that downtime. What I'm doing with the topsoil is using that to fill in that section where I've extended out the lawn where the trampoline used to be before I moved the trampoline to its current residence over the ditch. I'm not a fan of the bag topsoil. I hate it. It's $1.60 a bag or somewhere around there. It's better than the Scott's premium topsoil because that's actually just all wood. This here at least has stuff that resembles dirt. Even though it looks like a finely shredded mulch, it still I think has some dirt in it. And we can harvest some from the back, so I'm not too worried about that. Definitely not going to be enough though. So that's the plan with the dirt. We're going to leave that there for now. My walkway's going away. I wanted the idea of a wooden boardwalk, but holy crap, that's a lot of freaking work. So let's pick up my son's football and, you know, toss it over there into the mountain. And we're going to pick this guy up now and get rid of him. Man, that path turned out awesome. So happy I went with the rocks on there. It looks really, really, really good. Kind of like it was supposed to be there. So very pleased with that. I just put it on top of the mulch for the most part. You saw that. I'm not too worried about that. I will get around to fixing it later. I just wanted something aesthetically pleasing. Guess now it's time to spread some dirt. Figure out how much more I'm going to need. I may do another run to the store instead of, and even though this dirt sucks and there's a lot of wood and mulch and debris in it and organic matter, maybe better than taking the risk of my goosegrass dirt, since the behind the shed, a whole lot worse. So who knows what I'd be introducing into that, even with solarizing the soil. Yeah, 6 bags definitely was not enough dirt. It got farther than I actually thought it would, but I think I'm gonna need probably 6 to 10 more, especially after I compact it down and get it all nice and tight. I'll go with 10 bags just to be on the safe side, and maybe for the first time, well, not really the first time, but it'll be 2 trips instead of like 7. Cool. Well, we'll see you here in a second. Just got back from Home Depot. Successful trip. Got 10 more bags of the topsoil. And something cool, I ran into a subscriber in the checkout line. It was so awesome. So cool. I unfortunately did not get his name. I'm terrible about that, so sorry, man. But yeah, what we talked about in the store, definitely send me an email, man. I'll hook you up with some goodies. Got the first 6 bags now down and got a tamper, and so we got to get tamping this thing in. Let's do it. Finally finished with this bit here. Holy crap, hand tamping sucks. I've never done that before, like with an actual tamper. I've mainly just used lawn rollers, and I figured a tamper would be good because it's not that big of an area, but holy cow. It took every bit of those other 10 bags, and I probably need to get a couple more actually. We'll see. So right now what I did is I've watered it in. I watered it in between each layer after I tamped it down. Ended up doing a total of like 3 layers. I'm freaking beat, but this here is step 1 of Project TifGrand. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm gonna let this sit for about a week. I wanna let it compact naturally. Then I will take the greens mower over it and just roll it in, because that's 300 plus pounds of just compaction right there. So that'll get things going. Got an airplane flying overhead, looky-looing. Hunter Ward doesn't get airplanes looking. But that's it, and we got the walkway path area done. New mulch. So I'm tired, it's 91 degrees. I still have to go take after the front lawn because this week's honestly been a challenge with that. If you saw my Instagram, yes, I have summer patch. I applied some propiconazole a week ago, or almost a week ago. I hit it heavy, and whoo boy did it yellow things up and stunted growth, all that fun stuff, because propiconazole acts like a growth regulator as well. So I got to go nurture that back to health and do some other things and do some cleanup there. So we'll see that then. But thank you all for watching this one here where I worked on my patio and started Project TifGrand. We're going to talk more on that, on what my plans are for that next time. But cool. Hey, it's Mike, Real Low Dad. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you soon.